Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to adjust voice prompt volume on your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open EARFUN application and now click on your earbuds here. Then scroll down and you need to find voice prompt settings. Tap on it. And at the top we have volume level. So you can lower it or increase it. To lower it, just move this slider to the left. To increase it, move it to the right. If you totally don't need voice prompts, just fully mute it by moving the slider to the left. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!